Sayyidina Ala Hazrat radiallahu anhu delivered his first lecture at the age of 6. It was during the glorious month of Rabiul Awwal. Ala Hazrat radiallahu anhu stood on the mimbar and delivered a lecture before a large gathering, which also consisted of ulama ikram. He later continued his studies under the guidance of many distinguished teachers. He studied under his father, Hazrat Allama Maulana Naqi Ali Khan radiallahu anhu. Ala Hazrat radiallahu anhu was also a great mathematician. He used to solve the most difficult mathematical problems in a very short space of time. Algebra, geometry, calculus, logarithm, and other branch of mathematics, which are normally handled with great difficulties, even by mathematical students, was like ordinary addition and subtraction to him. Imam Ahmad Raza radiallahu anhu has left to his credit more than 1,200 books on 80 branches of knowledge, ranging from tafsir, logic, grammar, literature, Islamic jurisprudence, education, sociology, astronomy, mathematics, physics, history, science of history, engineering, biographies, philosophy, mysticism, scholastic theology, mysticism, metaphysics, ilm jafir, ethics, logic, philosophy, psychology, sociology, economics, spherical trigonometry, coordinate geometry, timings, horoscope, astronomy and astrology, statistics, dynamics, statics, hydrodynamics, hydrostatics, zoology, botany, geology, geography, and also inorganic chemistry.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।